I got some beef franks, all beef, quarter pounders. We got the dogs. Here's the bread that I'm using. It's gonna be simple, easy, guys. Nothing to it. Rip these bad boys open. You know, if you ever had a LA hot dog, I've had millions of them. And they're fantastic, guys. Just fantastic. But I came up on these at Sam's Club. I was blown away that they had quarter pounders because they usually don't. I'm gonna crack this bad boy open. Pretty simple, guys. We wrap the bacon around the dog. Just get your bacon. I usually start here from the top. Something like this. And then I stretch it at the same time. It's pretty simple, guys. Pretty easy, pretty straightforward. All right, once the dogs are done, wrapped with bacon, we're gonna get our canca basket. Pinch that together all the way to the bottom. Therefore, these guys don't go anywhere when they're flipping. We will season once we have these on the grill. I do got some poblanos that I want to fire roast as well. We want all kinds of different flavors in these dogs. All right, I do got some jalapenos in here. We're also gonna clean up. I like it spicy, but not too spicy. Make sure you hit it with some good olive oil. Right here. A couple tablespoons. Delish. And then I'm gonna hit it with barbecue general Pia seasonings. Look how much I got left, guys. This is delicious stuff right here. We're gonna go ahead and just sprinkle it. Put some good seasoning in there. We don't want these veggies to be bland. And then we're gonna just simply wrap this up. All right, guys, next time you guys see these dogs, they'll be inside of the hot dog bun. Stick around, guys. I got like 5 more minutes and these guys will be done. And veggies are right there. I've been turning them, I don't know, every 5 minutes so we can get some even cooking. But I will bring you right back, guys. Stick around. All right, let's pull these out, guys. Man, let's check this out. Oh man, you can see all that smoke bomb on it. The bacon did get rendered really nice. Obviously the sides are not because they were touching, but no big deal. Look at this, gorgeous. It makes my mouth water, guys, no lie. I feel like taking a bite. These suckers are fantastic, but they're hot. So I gotta let them cool down a little bit before I bite into them. You can smell the smoke from the oak wood. These were getting a little charred, but they look pretty good. Not too bad, guys. this down the middle. Oh, man. Look at that. Thank God I'm not on camera for this one. It's gonna be a messy one. Oh man. Immediately I taste the jalapenos and the poblanos, and then that all beef dog. Freaking incredible. All right, guys. Gracias for watching the 805 Barbecue Junkie. You know the drill. Like, share, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys next week. You guys have a safe one. Take care.